Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or link a bank account to Coinbase. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's jump right into the video. In order to link a bank account to Coinbase, open your Coinbase application first. Make sure that you're logged into your account. In order to be able to buy cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, you'll need to link a bank account or a payment option. So from the main homepage, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. From the expanded menu, tap Profile and Settings. Right where you can see Payments Method, tap on it, Add a Payment Method, and tap on Credit/Debit Card option. Now you can simply type in your name that is available from your card provided by your bank. Go ahead and type in your name first and then head over to the next field and type in your card number. Once to do that, right where you see expiration date, type in your expiration date for your card, type in your CVC number next, and finally type in your postal code. Once you're done entering all of the information, tap on the Add Card and on the next page. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be able to link or add a bank account to Coinbase so that you can make crypto purchases. That is how you can easily link or add a bank account to Coinbase. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up as it accelerates more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.